Okay, it is day 4.
Yeah.
So we're gonna go get breakfast. Y'all guys see my outfit. It's very cute. I think. Basically, all of my clothes that I got that I wore on this trip was from Shein. Like basically everything. You don't want to hold my hand no more, babe?
I'm not gonna do my video.
Oh my gosh. Every day, babe has made a video walking behind me. Y'all don't have no butt. I don't. But alright. Let's see what we get into today. So this is inside the Peppermill. It's very busy. We're still waiting. But a lot of people are leaving saying that it was really good. So hopefully it's worth the wait. Alright, so we got our table. Looking at the menu. I'll let y'all know how this food is. Alright, so this is our food. And then we have French toast coming too. So, I mean not French toast, biscuits and gravy. So far it looks good. Okay, so we made it to the official Welcome to Las Vegas sign. It is so hot out here. And we are just standing in line. So yeah. Back to the Caesars.
Oh, okay. This is nice.
So, babe and I came back a little while ago, and we're just laying down, relaxing. This is a view from our hotel room. I don't know if I already showed this or not, but it's beautiful. Babe's turning on the shower because we are about to shower and get ready to go to Hell's Kitchen. Our reservation is at 9:30. Okay, now we are on our way to Hell's Kitchen. We are in all black. So we'll let y'all know how this goes. Alright, so this is us, obviously, walking up to the restaurant. These heels, ooh, they're cute, but you know, but I'm making it. So here we go. So here's my salad, and there's babes. So this is the notes from Gordon, and then this one over here is the Meet Your Maker. So the waitress told me to read the note, so we're gonna see what it says. This is what we got. Ordered the macaroni and cheese. So we told him it was our birthday, which it is. Babes is the 6th, mine is the 11th. And look at that. Finishing the trip, well, the last night of the trip with a nice Lush Bath bomb and this beautiful jacuzzi tub.